Here's how you can change your partition size. First of all, open your computer search option and type here create. Click on create and format hard disk, and you directly jump into your disk management page. And here you will find this disk, and here you will be able to see all your partitions. Now, for example, I want to shrink this partition. So I'm just right clicking on this partition and clicking on shrink volume. Now enter the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. So you can just type the amount here and then click on shrink. And here we can see the partition has been successfully shrinked, and after shrinking, now I have got this 16.80 gigabyte unallocated storage. And now if you want to create a new partition with this storage, you can just click on this unallocated storage and click on new simple volume and go ahead and create a new partition with this storage. Or you can actually add these unallocated storage in existing partitions. For example, I want to add this unallocated storage in this partition. So I'm just right clicking on this partition and clicking on extend volume, clicking on continue, and here I'm selecting this disk and clicking on next and clicking on finish. And here we can see the partition storage has been successfully extended. So that's how we can actually resize partition. Thanks for watching.